Another beautiful, perfect day. Pumpkin and some mums I bought from my friend Ann for my wife Marcy. Got a nice breeze out here, sun shining. Wonderful, wonderful.
Back Road Bidder.
I'm Chuck the Back Road Bidder, and this is my auction haul from last week. Pro tip, you come home from an auction, just bring a garbage can up to your car. Get rid of the stuff that you're not selling and you're not donating. Why take it in the house, right? If you saw my last video, you got a glimpse of some of this. Today we're going to take a closer look. And I'm pretty happy with it. I spent $55. So let's take a peek, huh? This is an 8-track player and radio. Ooh, it's filthy. There's the 8-track port. I really hope this works. I already looked at this, and this is ugly in here. Oh, well, goodness. But I don't care too much because I don't plan on selling this. I want to use it to test 8-track tapes. Sorry for that loud bang. God, look how old those are.
You walk over and you pull up a chair to listen. And you come away with your mind just buzzing, full of new ideas that you want to keep thinking about, talking about, exploring. And because of that, you feel more alive and more...
Sanyo boombox. I don't know why I'm such a sucker for these things. Ooh, there's a leaf inside. That's a good sign. But if it works, I'll try to sell it. The antenna looks good. Oops, come on. Battery compartment looks good.
And the fish shop and the cheese store and the wine merchant.
And the charcuterie and the fromagerie and yep.
Just realized I don't have a cord, but I know I got some downstairs that'll work. Picked up a stack of manuals. I paid $1 a piece for these. Some of them are brand new in the wrappers. Some aren't, but are in really good shape. I don't know which ones are worth what, but I know they can sell. Let's see, a Berlin Stein. Actually says West Germany. It gives you an idea that it's at least pre-1988. That's all we know. Kind of cool. I was about to toss this, but it's numbered. Can you see that? It's got a signature in it, hand painted by R. Kelly. That might be worth checking out. Hand painted by D. Brown. I don't know what those are, but I'll find out. .22 karat gold. There they are. I got a stack of them. A fake candle in a candle holder. Careful. Got a flag. Needed a flag. trying not to be disrespectful to the flag. I'm sorry for anyone in the military or a veteran. Just trying to show everything I got here. So I apologize. That actually came with a whole thing, a whole flat of steel wool. Alright, the actual first thing I bought was this Bose radio and CD player, which I am very excited to test. I got this for $10. All the cables and stuff. There's a couple speakers in here somewhere. I guess they're ironically, this is actually the auction company that did the auction yesterday, but this is one of their old hats with the scrambled eggs on it there. Oh my gosh. That sucker's very old. Money. Maybe not money on this one. Designer Pro. Gonna see a lot of foam coming out of these bad boys. The 3-striper there. Ooh, this might be a keeper. Stroh's beer, like a newsboy cap. Local implement place. Yeah, a lot of these aren't worth anything, but might be some gems in here. This one's got a rope on it. Michelin. That one's got potential. Valvoline. Yeah, some of these are going right in the garbage. Mystique. That's a local casino. Oh no, Mystique Lubricants. There is a Mystique casino nearby, but this ain't it. Unless they also sell lubricants. That's a Citgo hat. I can always use another tape dispenser. I'm just determined to break some stuff here. Christmas Coke glass. Ham's beer glass. That might be a gift for a friend. Berghoff beer glass. Again, I bought this tray for $1 because I needed a pencil because I was not prepared when I got to that thing. Monster cable for iPod. Those used to be hot a couple years ago. The monster cables. I don't know if they still are, but I'll try to list that. I'm tempted to just toss this. I just can't do it. I gotta check it out. It's a weight for a cuckoo cock. Found this microwave for $1. That's going to work with me on Monday because we need one. Oh, there's the remote for my Bose. Oh, that makes me happy. It's a good thing this guy labeled this remote so I know it went to the Bose radio. I don't know how else I'd identify it. Sometimes heroes don't wear capes. That makes me happy. Is this a sun lamp? Woohoo! Maybe I can get tan this summer or this winter. It's old General Electric. Infrared portable heat lamp. Heat lamp works. That's kind of pretty. Now this one might sell. There's no name on it, but oh, this one's beautiful. It's made in the USA. I think it was supposed to go with that other thing. And so it shall. I don't need another shot glass, especially when I can't read. Salt and pepper here. I don't know why I bought this military clothing. It was cheap. I don't know. Actually, a hat. Ooh, smell the must. Interesting. And nobody bid on this. I feel good about this. Kirby vacuum cleaner parts in a box. So I got a few hats. I'm gonna start sorting these, and then I'll show you the best of, I guess. Old Style, Miller High Life, Remington Country. This one, look at that. There's one for Nate. White Farm Equipment, International Harvester. I don't know what that one is. I gotta look it up. Spuds McKenzie. Left-hander chassis. I don't know what that means, but it looks like a cool vintage hat with a patch on it. Very old Budweiser hat. Gale. I don't think that's that old, but it seems like a good quality hat, and it's stained. That might go in the garbage. Couple Amicos, Budweiser, Great America. I don't know if that one would be worth anything, but I know that's pretty old. Just thought this was interesting. It's Kawasaki foam hat. Snap-on, yellow, Budweiser visor. It's got some age. It's a Bud visor. Oh, this bad boy. Kent hat with ear flaps. This one's got a ball on top. H&S Manufacturing. White. This is a Gale Racing with a signature. I don't know who that is. From 1999, I'll look that up. Another Gale with signatures. That's about it. So I threw away about half of them over there. The other ones, some of them I know are worth money. Some of them I gotta look up. And some I might just rob the patches off of them and throw the rest away. That's my haul. I went there not thinking I'd get a lot, and I didn't get a whole lot. But I only spent 50 bucks. Thanks for coming along. By the way, if you put a comment asking me a question about this video, by the time you see this, the video may be 3 weeks old, and I might have no idea what you're talking about. But I'll try to answer. Please, ask me anything. Give me a thumbs up if you like. Ask me questions in the comments. Tell me how cool I am and how much you admire me. And thanks for being here. I will see you next time, folks. Until then, I don't know, stay sexy. Talk to you later. Bye. There's a nasty bug in there. So long, sucker. Oh my goodness, that's just nasty. Neighbor always mows when I'm making a video. I swear he watches for me. We're halfway through September and we still got daffodils blooming. That's so weird. If this works, I'm gonna be the happiest man in town. Whoa. List them. That's got Chuck written all over it.